Welcome, in front of me is a POCO C85 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side, actually just top of the screen twice, and this will extend the list of toggles, one of them being, or should be, the screen recorder. If we don't see it, we'll need to add it ourselves. So let's see. Get rid of these notifications. There we go. So we have edit button on the second page right here. So we're gonna click on that, and by swiping down we should have our screen recorder show up. There we go, at the very bottom. For me it's literally the last toggle. I'm gonna grab it and then drag it to the top. There we go, right here. Drop it, and when we select done, it should be available to us on one of the pages. For me it's now right over here. So we can now tap on it. First time around, it will ask you for permission, so allow to send you notifications. Now we don't need notifications, and you can see we get this overlay with the record, folder, settings, and close option. So let's start off with the record, which is the red circle. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded, minus garbage applications like Netflix, for instance, which I'm going to showcase. Okay, I don't have internet. Spotify, will it stay open or show anything? Oh, never mind, there we go. So we have something visible right here, good. So those are the two apps that won't be recorded. Now let's open up something that will be. There we go. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay right here. Click on the red square, and this will save it. Now there are two different ways of navigating to your screen recordings now. One will be by opening up your Photos gallery application, depending on which one we have right here. Let's see, we have gallery. Allow all. Let's give it a moment. And you can see here is our screen recording. Now you can also navigate to albums once they show up as a separate button, or by swiping, you can actually see them right here. We have actual albums, and here you want to find screenshot and video or screen recordings, which it's kind of cut out, but that's what it is. When you click on it, here we actually have a divide between the screenshots and screen recordings, so make sure you select the correct tab, and you can play it back. So, what you're about to see is the Netflix and Spotify. Specifically Spotify will be the one that I can actually showcase. So these applications have the ability to block your screen recorder without your right, or without your permission, more right. So here was the page open with a login screen, and you can see it was just black screen. Now you don't get any kind of notification that you can't record this, as you also see, and neither did you ever give this garbage application the permission to do so. But it doesn't matter, it's not like this device is actually yours. It belongs to corporate cocks that control everything. So that's why you can't really do this. And it's kind of hypocritical that application that literally started by piracy is preventing this now. It's just ironic. So for that purpose, I'm going to tell you how we can do it better by, for instance, using something that I've started using nowadays. And that is, let me just check the name. MetroList. That's basically YouTube music alternative that works just fantastically, and obviously it kind of uses YouTube music but without the ads. So it's fantastic alternative to something like the Spotify, being just something that I wouldn't really promote ever. Anyway, now that's one way to navigate to your screen recordings. Another one would be by pressing this folder icon, and it will take you to all your screen recordings. So anyway, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.